Hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me again for another video. Okay guys, for today's makeup tutorial I decided to use some new product. I use a new eyeshadow by Beauty of Colors, which looks like this. You can find them on Instagram if you're interested in buying the palette. And I also use some product by Bella Pierre, the Fenty Beauty lipstick. This is new to me, so I just use this. I use this to mixture on the lip today. So if you want to see how I created this look using new products, stay tuned for this video, guys. It's the brow pencil by Bella Pierre, like this. This is my first time of trying this. My favorite. It has a spoolie. I know my hair is in control. Like, look at that. I need to like clean this off. For now, we just have to deal with it. This brow pencil is not going to be like on my favorite list because I don't like it already. Let me just show you this brush set by Re Technique. I'm going to be using this for the eyeshadow. It's come in a 4-piece. The eyeshadow brushes, concealer to clean the brows. I'm going to use the Urban Decay primer potion. This is a travel size. Take the concealer palette. I'm going to take the shade. Eyeshadow. So excited to use this. This is so cute. So I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Beauty of Colors. Some Melanin Girls. Chocolate. How beautiful is this? Take this brush by Re Technique, short color. So, oh my god, it's pigmented. I was not expecting that. Oh, I can miss this too. Oh, it's so pigmented, God. Oh no, the pigment is giving me a heart attack. More of the same shade right here. This shade right here. I'm going to use this to blend the crease. Now that my eyes is looking like pepper red, it's looking really bright. I'm not going to wet the brush, I'm just going to try the shimmer shade. Try this one. It's really blending well. I like the formula. It's not chunky. A little bit of the blue shade. I'll use that in the place of using the black. You can use a dark blue if you are scared of using black. You can just take a dark blue and use it to define the eyes. So, liquid liner by Kat Von D. I really like the shape of it, but I don't like the one. It's too small. Like seriously, they just spend the time on the packaging. This is too small. It's liner by Urban Decay. The Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. I use this brush right here. This Re Technique brushes really come true. I'm going to use the transition colors I use to blend the under eye. Page Trend lashes. I'm going to be using this shade, right? The way I apply my lashes, I apply lash glue on my lash band. Quickly apply mascara. I use mascara by Makeup Revolution just to dust off the eyeshadow on the lashes. Using this style right here. Oh my god, these lashes, come on. Guys, what do you think? The only thing I'm mad at in this makeup is my brows. My eyebrows look terrible. I use this lip liner by NYX, by NYX. For lipstick, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lipstick. I'll try these two shades. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Bella Pure highlighter. Oh, that is beautiful. Mascara on my bottom lashes. So I'll just spray my face in the Charged Water by MAC. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I know it was a struggle and bustle because I was doing Instagram live and I was making the tutorial. I was trying to like satisfy everybody, you understand. If you're interested on the hair, just DM me or go check it out on Instagram if you're interested. It's by Power Room D and it's a synthetic wig. It's not a human hair, it's a synthetic wig. I love the color. The color is so beautiful. Sorry, I'm looking at the monitor. I'm just looking at the monitor right there. So the color is so pretty. I actually really like the color. Anyway, I don't have much to say. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any other suggestion, let me know at the comment section. Guys, remember what I always say. Be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys. Peace.